Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me, Hania, e-commerce Wali, student at Rehani School on Academy Batch 8. So today I'm going to present my review on the TEDx talk Making Peace is a Marathon by Meryl Hadid. In this talk, she shares a powerful message that peace is not created overnight. Just like running a marathon, building peace requires patience, determination, and continuous effort. Through her own life story, she shows us how one person's dream can bring hope to an entire nation. Mel Helene is from Lebanon, a country that has faced years of civil war, political conflict, and religious division. She begins by saying something surprising: I believe that running can change the world. At first, this idea sounds impossible. How can a marathon bring peace to a country? But as she tells her story, we understand the deeper meaning behind her words. May was once a passionate marathon runner. Running gave her confidence, discipline, and the courage to dream big. However, her life changed completely when she was hit by a bus during training. The accident left her seriously injured, and doctors told her she would never run again. Instead of giving up, she decided to run her pain into a purpose. Turn her pain into a purpose. While recovering in the hospital, she came up with the idea of organizing the Beirut International Marathon. At first, many people thought her idea was impossible. Lebanon had no strong running culture, and the country was deeply divided by politics and religion. Organizing such a large event seemed too difficult, but May believed that if people could run together, they could also learn to live together. She met political leaders, community members, and government officials to gain their trust and support. Step by step, she turned her dream into reality. Finally, in 2003, the first Beirut Marathon took place. Thousands of runners from different religions, groups, and even different countries joined the event. For one special day, people forgot their differences and ran side by side. The marathon became much more than a sports event. It became a symbol of unity, hope, and peace. Even when Lebanon continued to face violence, political problems, and instability, the marathon continued every year. It reminded people that despite their differences, they could still stand together with one common goal. This shows that peace is not about having a perfect country, peace is about choosing cooperation instead of conflict and hope instead of fear. One of the strongest messages in this talk is that real peace takes time. We often want quick solutions to big problems, but May reminds us that lasting change happens slowly. Just as a marathon cannot be completed in a few minutes, peace cannot be built in a single day. It requires patience, courage, and consistent effort from everyone. Another important lesson is the power of turning difficulties into opportunities. May could have focused only on her pain after her accident. Instead, she used that painful experience to create something meaningful that benefited thousands of people. This teaches us that even our biggest challenges can become the beginning of something great if we refuse to give up. I also learned that sports can connect people in ways that politics sometimes cannot. When people run together, they forget their backgrounds, religions, and opinions. They become teammates with a shared purpose. This reminds us that simple activities can help build understanding and friendship between communities. This talk also encourages us to think about our own lives. Peace does not only mean ending wars between countries, peace also starts in our homes, schools, workplaces, and friendships. We build peace when we respect others, forgive mistakes, solve problems calmly, and help those around us. Every small act of kindness makes a difference. I really love this TEDx talk because it is based on a true story. Mel Halid speaks with honesty and passion, making her message easy to understand and very inspiring. She proves that one determined person can create positive change even in very difficult circumstances. The most memorable line from this talk is peacemaking is not a sprint, it is more of a marathon. Making peace is a marathon is an inspiring TEDx talk that teaches the importance of hope, determination, teamwork, and never giving up. Thank you so much.